How to enhance video quality on CapCut. All right, guys. So once you've added your clip to the CapCut timeline, we head over to where we have adjustments. Ignore the enhance option on video. And once you're here, head into basic. Now, in order to enhance your video, you need to do a few things such as sharpening your video and also increasing the illumination, reducing shadows in certain areas, increasing your highlights, and also adjusting your brightness, the contrast. You could also take the highlights up a notch, but that may end up blurring your video. And you could also increase your brightness and also change the contrast. Contrast actually matters, so try to keep it within a good and optimal range, let's say at 18. And then you can reduce the saturation of your video and the hue as well as the temperature of that clip. And once you're done enhancing your clip, all you need to do is just go ahead and export it. You could also enhance the color range and the dynamic range of your colors by using the HSL. All right, guys.